How to fix Expedia won't let me change my flight. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video where we will discuss on how to fix the issues with changing your flight on Expedia application. So if you're having trouble changing your flight, don't worry, this video will guide you through the process with some easy, simple steps. So first of all, you have to open the Expedia application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now go to the trip section located at the bottom center of the screen to find your booking. And if you can't locate it, try refreshing the page several times or click on find your booking and enter your itinerary number. You can also check if your booking is eligible for free changes according to the Expedia's policy and the airline's terms. Be aware that some fare types or promotional bookings may have restrictions or fee for changes, and if you need assistance, contact the Expedia's customer support and you can reach them through their official toll number at 1-866-318-0357 or use the chat option available on the website. And if you encounter any difficulties or have any questions during the flight change process, don't hesitate to reach out to the customer support again. And after your flight changes have been processed, carefully review the updated itinerary provided by the Expedia to ensure all the modifications are correct. And if you're still unable to change your flight through Expedia's customer support, consider checking the fare conditions of your ticket to understand the airline's specific policies regarding the changes and identify the exact flights you want to switch to and provide this information to Expedia's customer support as they may be able to process the change more effectively. As a last resort, you may need to pay the fare difference or forfeit your flight depending on the airline's policy. Remember, changing the flights can be a complex process and policies may vary by airline and fare type. By following the simple steps, you can work towards finding a solution. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.